Someone was asking me, where should hand gestures be? Where should our hands be when we are speaking? Let me tell you, the answer is simple. There's what we call the influence zone or the power zone. In body psychology, when someone's hands are within this area, below your eyes and above your waist, that is called the power zone or the influence zone. So anytime someone is speaking and their hands are here, whether they are resting, whether they are gesturing, and they're within this area, they command respect. They command influence. They leave impact. It's different from standing like this. Different from standing like this. I don't know whether you can hear me. It is different when you stand like this. It is different from when you stand anyhowly. So, from today, I want you, whether you're standing, you're speaking to people, you're speaking one-on-one with a person, stand straight and use your hands within the power zone. If you need me to explain more about how to speak with confidence and master your body language, type for me public speaking in the comment section.